It's Friday again, so welcome to another episode of our podcast, Whether or Not, about all things meteorological. Today, we're going to talk about weird weather, or not your usual rain, sun and snow. Generally, weather forecasts are fairly routine. They tell us about various types of precipitation, which may include rain, snow, sleet or hail, depending on the season and your location. We use forecasts to check the temperature, so we know what to wear. And if the meteorologist predicts rain, well, we know to bring an umbrella. But recently, weather reports have been getting weirder and weirder. There have been wildfires in snowy Alaska, as well as sunny day flooding in Miami. And some weather is even harder to prepare for. Take waterspouts, for example. A waterspout is a whirling cloud like a tornado that forms over water. This cloud is circling so fast that it can pick up fish and frogs from the water. When the cloud moves over land and loses power, it drops the animals. One of the most famous examples of this was on June 28, 1957 in Alabama. On that day, a nearby storm caused thousands of small fish, frogs and crayfish to fall from the sky. Some were still alive. More recently, on February 11, 2013, there were reports of crabs falling from the sky in Florida. Now that's a new use for your umbrella. Another strange weather situation is one that can happen after a drought. Wildfires are very common when there hasn't been any rainfall for a long period of time. Everything dries out and can catch fire easily. Sometimes a wildfire gets so hot that it forms a fire tornado, or a tight, whirling cloud of fire. One of the most dramatic examples of a fire tornado was one that destroyed the entire town of Peshtigo, Wisconsin in 1871. I'm sure you've seen lightning before. It often happens during a thunderstorm. But have you ever seen ball lightning? Most lightning looks like a white line in the sky. But ball lightning gets its name from its round shape, and it can be red, orange, or even blue. It makes a hissing noise and has a strange smell. Ball lightning moves fast and doesn't last long, so it's hard to study. Scientists still don't know a lot about it. I like to ski, so I enjoy winter weather stories. Have you ever heard of a snow roller? A snow roller is a rare weather event that can occur when wind moves over sticky, loose snow. The wind causes a small amount of snow to roll. As it rolls, it forms a snowball of sorts that looks kind of like a tire cutting a path through the snow. Really cold weather can create ice flowers, or beautiful crystals that are formed by very low temperatures and dry air moving over water. Scientists have measured some crystals that are several inches high. So, there you have it, the weird world of weather, full of fire and ice, raining frogs and rolling snow. Next week, we'll be talking about different kinds of clouds.